Alaska. And talagang kung may matigas ang ulo, sila yung pinakamatigas ang ulo. But I have to congratulate the coaching staff of Alaska, especially Coach Alex Compton. And job well done for him. And then, guys, I think we're fortunate because in the end game, we're able to recover from their big rallies. And I thought na this is it, wala na. Ganyan. But I have to appreciate my players dahil yung character nila pinakita. They did not give up. And in the last 2 minutes, we were down by 6 points and all of a sudden, naka-all kami, nakalabang. And now, in the last possession, we almost bungled that opportunity because of timeout, Coach Ronald. Unfortunately for them, they were not able to make it. And I think the defense worked at that time, especially Junmar. And Arwin has a great job in this series because he played really hard, and then I think more than 40 minutes, Junmar and Arwin. And before, we've been criticizing because of the bench, and that's right. You're right, man, dahil talagang mas malakas yung bench sila because of everybody's trying to help the cause of the team. But in our team, so talaga nag-end up kami. Sabi ko, todo ko na ito si Junmar at saka si Arwin because in the past naman, ginagawa nila yan. And this is championship game and we don't want to have a mismatch because they're trying to have an advantage with us. And it's very obvious na they're trying to do something na mawawala kami. But I think the players, especially Arwin, he told me, and also Junmar, Coach, this is ours. Panalo tayo dito. And una ayaw kong maniwala dahil you can never know what will happen. Imagine we're leading by 21 points and all of a sudden, the last 3 or 5 minutes in the fourth quarter, they're leading. But I'm happy to see this player because slowly, nadidevelop yung character nila.
Coach, ano yung sinabi mo kay Coach Alex doon katapos ng game?
Well, sabi ko, Coach Alex, great job. I'm happy to see you in the finals. Both of us deserving to win a championship. But unfortunately, there's only one champion in this conference. And we're fortunate because, we're really fortunate because, it's a one game, one championship game lang. And we're a good friend because we've been together at WellCoach during first year ng WellCoach sa PBA as my assistant coach and small import.
Coach, yun yung nasa isip ko kanina nung ipinasok ko si Ronald Pascal at si Jericho na lamang pa sa Alaska.
Yeah, we want some energy and Chris Latch and Marcio is in foul trouble. So, iniisip ko baka mag-overtime. So, bigyan ko man lang ng kaunting kumpiyansa. But, I think yung kanyang energy pinakita kahit konti, I think nakatulong Dahil Chris Latch was able to have a rest. And also Alex, But, ang hirap na sitwasyon namin because they're trying to trap the point guard and successful sila That's why nagamit ko na rin si Jeric Fortuna para magkaroon ng stability do sa team. And I thought na talagang bibigyan na sila but nakita ko yung character nila, especially Arwin Santos, na talagang hindi siya gumibap sa defense niya. And yung laging criticize namin siya nung kanyang tira sa labas na napakadami, but kanina yun na nagbigay ng advantage para sa amin. Thank you.